Hello everyone, this is Leah, and today I'm adding some bling to my old faded plastic eggs. Today's video is part of a monthly collaboration hosted by Heidi Sonboul of Happily Thriving Heidi. If you aren't familiar with her channel, you need to run over there and check her out. Check the descriptions for links to this playlist as well as Heidi's channel after this video. So, these were doomed to be trashed, but I decided to give them a new life. They're the plastic eggs that were too faded and didn't quite make the cut for my Easter wreath. My sister gave me another big colorful bag of Mardi Gras beads, so I'm gluing them on the eggs. Now I'm just using hot glue, and I started a dot and then just started wrapping around. This one I'm doing a circular pattern, starting in the middle and going out. And I'm just going in a sweeping motion with the beads to make sure that they're secure against the row before them, if that makes sense. Once I got enough of the first color, I cut the strand of beads, glued the ends down, and started with the next color. Just pushing them down on the egg and making sure each line of beads is tight against the line before it. Pretty simple. This is how it's looking so far. I just need a little bit more on the back, so I'm going to do that right now. Just putting the beads on that line of hot glue and filling it in. And then, of course, you have to pick away the hot glue cobwebs. And that's how that looks. Now, I made 5 of these, and I went really fast. I did a zigzag pattern on this one, and that's just 2 different shades of pink. And there's some stripes, and did horizontal and vertical striping on some. And now I'm playing around with how to display them because I didn't think that far ahead. I put them in a Dollar Tree vase, but they just looked too plain. So I had some greenery laying beside me from a previous project and decided to stick some of those down in there. Still not loving it, but I thought I'd give it a try. And that's how that looks. I'm going to try 3 different looks, and you can let me know which is your favorite. This is look number 1. Now here is look number 2. It's just in an old wooden wine box that I got from my brother-in-law for my crafting, and probably if it was painted white, I would love it. I think it's just a little bit too dark for Easter. And here's look 3. Just some reindeer moss in a basic basket. The eggs popped on top. So, what do you think? 1, 2, or 3? Thank you so much for watching my video today, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if it's your first time stopping by, I hope you will consider subscribing.